What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2014 Yamaha Stryker. Guys, this bike is sick. It's actually got some miles on it, which is kind of awesome because that means someone actually rode this bike, which, you know, I love when people actually ride their motorcycles. This bike's in really good shape, guys. There are some flaws. I'll point them out. A little discoloration right there. It's a little weird. You know, scratch right there. Not a big deal. This bike's awesome, though. I mean, it's got some really cool stuff on it. It's got this 2-in-1 Cobra. 80-inch. It's in pretty good shape. There's like a scuff on this bat wing right there. I don't know how I feel about these bat wings. I would honestly probably rip it off if it were me. Big old LED headlight, which means he rode at night because he understands the difficulty of riding at night without an LED headlight because you don't see nearly as much as you do with an LED headlight. Scuff right there on the fork. It's got like a brand new front tire on it. It's got these lights inside the rim. I mean, this guy wanted to be visible. He wanted to see everything because he's riding this big black bike. So I give him props. I mean, the guy obviously rode. It's got like 40,000 miles on it. So in 4 years, he rode 40,000 miles. That's an impressive amount of miles a year. Most people don't. Some people don't even put that on their car a year. That wasn't anything. Seat's in good shape. Seat's got like that typical like car dealer stuff on it that kind of makes it look a little shiny. All right, let's see. All right, key is way down in there because it's not supposed to have this bat wing on it. 40,248. Here it goes. Sorry, doesn't run away. Turn signals in the mirror. That's an awesome feature. Oh, never mind. So he just used the mirror. The turn signal does not actually. Does not keep living. We learned something new every day. Got some little tiny scuffs on the bars right there. Not a huge deal. Guys, this bike's in great shape. Like I said, 40,000 miles, 2014 Stryker. This bike is sick. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. This bike will not last long. It's going to be extremely well priced for what it is. I mean, it's an awesome looking bike. It's not going to be here long. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. I can ship it to you. Maybe check out the test drive video on this bike as well as check out the website, Srkcycles.com. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.